Hello, I'm Gino. Welcome to Dazzle TV. Today I'm gonna give you a tour of our tiny home. People have asked us if we could show the inside and the outside of our house, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you a tour of our home. This is the entry point for our room. The door, the entrance. There's Dazzle. She's busy editing our YouTube video. That's what she's doing. Hello, Aaron. There she is. And then this is our living room, kitchen, and everything. It's only one room downstairs. The house is 40 square meters, so a little over 400 square feet. This is the stairs going upstairs. We'll film that later. I'll go through the first floor first. This is our couch. We got this from IKEA. It's pretty sturdy. It's all metal, and it's got this. We've had it for 6 years since we moved in here. We like it because you can wash this, so we can keep it clean. But we also put a cover on it just to make sure it doesn't get dirty, because the dog Totoy likes to climb up the couch. This counter right here, we had it built. It's made of wood. We made it into a storage area for pots and pans, like our electric, the one burner electric stove is inside there. Of course, we have a rice cooker, and we have a electric oven and an electric toaster. And our stairs, what we did is we had this built. We have drawers on our stairs. So I store like tools in there, just typical, like a typical junk drawer for stuff. And then we had built also like these shelves so we can store stuff. Like here we keep our vitamins, and then here our cornhole cups that we won. There's like on these two shelves, and like here I put Chloe and Totoy's like heart guard and the front line for their flea control. And this cabinet right here, we got this. It's made of metal. It's not made of wood, because from our last apartment we noticed that if the made of wood cabinets here have a tendency to dry rot, because we're close to the ocean here. We're only 10-15 minute ride to the beach. So this one we really like that we bought this, because this one, it's metal and it'll last forever, you know. And this was like 3 separate pieces when we bought it, and I think the whole set cost us about 15,000 pesos or $300. And this is kind of like our little pantry. We keep like barbecue sauce, got the Tostito salsa, Dazzle's Nutella, and I have like my oatmeal I keep here, and I have some more oatmeal there. You can tell I eat a lot of oatmeal. I almost eat oatmeal like every morning. And these are our aqua flask. We bring those every time we go out. We bring water. Here's our powdered milk, you know, since we don't have really fresh milk in the Philippines. Here we use as like a pantry also. There we got like canned goods, chips, you know, things like that. Microwave oven, real basic microwave oven. And then our fridge, like I said, it's a little tiny fridge. It's almost like a dorm fridge. Like you can see, like our freezer, it's like really tiny, but we don't keep a lot of stuff. We have like Hungarian, we have Hungarian sausage, we have ham, we have some burgers. We got these mushroom burgers that I like. And then Dazzle, she likes this Yakult, so we always keep those. And we always have like orange juice and pineapple juice. We bought these 2 sodas because tomorrow for Dazzle's party we're bringing those sodas. And like here we got eggs, we got like these slices of cheese. I got a Bailey's alcohol, and then I got soju. Just not a lot of stuff. Like I said, our fridge is really tiny. And this is the bathroom. I'll go through the bathroom. Real small bathroom, just shower. We don't have hot water. And toilet, sink. And this corner, this is like the other door, like going outside. We had put a screen door here too, so that way when we have both the doors open, just the screen doors, you get a good breeze coming through here. But right now it's not too warm, so we're cool. We just keep that one door because we got this ceiling fan. We always got this ceiling fan going. This corner right here we use for the dogs. That's their dog food and their dog bowl. And what else? This is our Blue Yeti, the power station. Really love this because like even on our live stream, I always hook up the Blue Yeti, our internet, so if the power goes out, we still have internet, so really handy. And this thing can power our internet, a fan for a day or two, you know, when we had long power outages. And this is our internet from Kalibo Cable. Dazzle's got like a little store stuff here where we keep our hats on top of this table. And again, there's Dazzle doing her editing. There's our flat screen TV. We just got that recently because the flat screen TV that we had before, I had it for 10 years, finally gave out. So we bought this 43-inch smart TV, so Dazzle can watch anything that's on her phone, like Netflix and all that. And what we use for the dining table, like when we eat, Dazzle and I, we just sit side by side, and we use this table right here when we eat. So this table is kind of like our computer dining table, computer table. You know, it's a all-around table. And Dazzle and I, we both have laptops. That's her laptop, and I have my own laptop, so we can edit 2 videos at a time. We can be online, so really works out that we have the 2 laptops. There's Chloe, always on the guard. Here on the corner, I got my skateboard. I still skateboard, but this is a long board, so I don't do any more tricks anymore. I just ride straight and, you know, through the neighborhood. I don't do crazy hills anymore, just flat surface, because I still enjoy my skateboard. Keeps me balanced. You know, I can still work on my balance because Dazzle and I, we do a lot of paddle boarding, so it helps that I still do the skateboard. I think I already hit everything. I'll go upstairs. I'm now going to the upstairs. This stairs, we had put this like cloth that we bought from Lazada because the dogs were slipping on the stairs on the wood, so it helps them it's like an anti-slip. This is the upstairs. This is like the when you come up, the bedroom on the left here, and this has become Totoy's bedroom. That's her bed right there, and this is where she sleeps. And then this is my closet. That's my closet right there. And then Dazzle's got her own closet at the end there, and she got shoes stored down here. Chloe's dog bag, the dog carrier, and I have a printer that when I hook up to the laptop when we need to print something. It's an odd looking room, but here in the Philippines, that's how it goes. You know, they consider this a bedroom. And then the master bedroom where we sleep is right here, and we have this window type AC, a 0.5 horsepower AC. It keeps this room, since this room is not very big, it keeps it cool. It keeps it cool in here. And then Chloe's dog bowl is here because we try to separate the two of them when they eat, because Totoy gets mad when it's feeding time. They start, so Chloe eats up here, Totoy eats downstairs. We have a fan here, and then this is a little, I don't know if you consider this a refrigerator, but it's kind of like a cooler, yeah. But it keeps drinks cool, so I keep it up here. And then I have my rechargeable fan there just in case power goes out. And this is our bed. Again, the room is tiny. I mean, if you can see, you know, it's like when you walk in, it's like really it's just the bed, and there's like a small walkway here, and then a small, you know, where that table is. Really small room, because again, it's a tiny house. The house is only 40 square meters or 430 square feet. So that's what they consider here a 2-bedroom. Now 1 bedroom here and then 1 bedroom here. Now I'm gonna record the outside of the house. These windows, they have this sliding glass, and when you open it, we also have this screen that's sliding. So when you open the window, you just want to do the screen, because here in the Philippines there's mosquitoes, so anything you can do to prevent mosquitoes from coming in your house. And even the front door has a screen also to prevent mosquitoes from coming in when we have the door open. This is the front gate. We have a small gate here and a larger gate, and if you notice, everything in the front here is cement or brick. Now there's no so grass can't grow, because like right now it's rainy season. It's really hard to like keep the grass from growing, because it grows so fast. You know, before, when I didn't have this cemented, I was out here cutting grass all the time, and I just got tired of that. That's why I decided to cement it. And that's the view from the back here. You can see the gate, and we park our car here. Plenty of room to park our car. And then I had built that tricycle port, or you know, so I can keep Bumblebee from getting wet during the rainy season. It leaks a little bit now, but it's better than not having any protection for Bumblebee. And then Dazzle, she's got a couple of plants there. She's got she planted a malunggay, and then she has a lemon, and she's got papaya. I think she planted all these. I know the papaya she planted from seed, and then the lemon she got it. It was a little grown already when she planted it, so they're out here. And that used to be Totoy's old home, old doghouse, but she doesn't use it anymore because she outgrown it, and plus she's inside dog now. She doesn't like being out here anymore. This is our washing machine. It's been with us now for at least 4 years, so pretty soon here I know I'll have to replace it. We don't have a dryer. Our dryer is basically we hang our clothes. That's what these clothesline are. And because it's rainy season, what I do is like I'll hang the clothes like on over this overhang, so it'll still dry, because it'll still get sun and it still dries. And then over there is I built like a little shed for storage. You know, I store like old paint in there, the cleaning material for the car. I have a generator there that doesn't work anymore, so I'll have to see if I can get somebody to fix that, a little generator. And I had an old satellite dish that you know, we don't have satellite TV anymore. And then our old dining table, I have to find a home for that old dining table. So this is like the back area here. This is the front of our house. The house itself is 40 square meters, which is about 430 square feet is the actual house. The lot, the size of the lot is 88 square meters, which is around 940 square. Hi, I'm Gino, and I'm with my wife Dazzle. We're here at Imperial Appliance in Calibo. We're buying a 43-inch TV, so they're testing the TV. Here in the Philippines, when you buy a TV, they have to make sure it works, because it's so hard here that if something's wrong with the TV, it's hard to return the TV here. So they have to make sure before you leave the store, you have to make sure that the TV works. So right now they're testing the TV, and we're buying this Hisense 43-inch smart TV, and it costs 18,000 pesos. So it's a little about $350 for the TV. And it comes with a bracket, so it has a free bracket when you buy it.